When buying an SUV, maintenance costs are a crucial factor to consider. Some models are budget-friendly to maintain, while others can drain your wallet over time. In this video, we'll break down the SUVs with the lowest maintenance costs so you can make a smart decision before your next purchase. Number 8. Buick Envista. The 2024 Buick Envista is expected to have moderate maintenance costs, with estimated expenses totaling around $8,310 over the first 10 years, averaging approximately $831 per year. This is higher than some competitors in the subcompact SUV category, but still within a reasonable range for a Buick vehicle. In the first 5 years, maintenance and repair costs are estimated at $4,155, covering essential services such as oil changes, tire rotations, and brake inspections. Routine maintenance typically ranges from $150 to $400 per service, depending on the mileage and the work required. Owner reviews suggest that the Envista has an 18% chance of needing a major repair within 10 years, which is slightly above average for the segment. However, Buick offers complimentary scheduled maintenance for the first visit, helping to offset initial costs. Number 7. Nissan Rogue Sport. Regular maintenance is necessary to guarantee the Nissan Rogue Sport's long-term dependability. Owners should budget around $7,600 for upkeep and repairs over the first 10 years, or $766 annually on average. At 7,500 miles, the first major service, which consists of a tire rotation and an oil and filter change, takes place. Additional checkups, such as braking system checks, differential gear oil maintenance, and cabin air filter replacement, are advised at intervals of 15,000 miles. Many owners highlight the value of adhering to the suggested maintenance plan in order to avoid expensive repairs and praise the vehicle's smooth ride. The Rogue Sport is a reasonably low-risk choice for long-term ownership because there is only a 6% chance that it will require a significant repair during the first 5 years. Number 5. Hyundai Tucson. Due to its very cheap maintenance expenses, the Hyundai Tucson is a popular SUV option. Owners should budget around $8,100 for maintenance and repairs over a 10-year period, which is less than the typical amount for comparable cars. With expected expenditures of about $2,500 over the first 5 years, it's a more affordable alternative than comparable SUVs. For the first 3 repairs, Hyundai offers free maintenance that includes necessary chores like tire rotations and oil changes. The Tucson is an affordable choice in its class, with yearly maintenance expenditures averaging about $426. Compared to many rivals, the chance of requiring a significant repair during the first 5 years is lower at 6%. Generally speaking, routine servicing costs between $150 to $400, depending on the kind of upkeep needed. All things considered, owners report a seamless ownership experience with predictable maintenance expenses. Number 5. Mazda Cx-5. Compared to the average of $573 for compact SUVs, owners of the Mazda Cx-5 pay an average of $447 per year on maintenance, making it a rather inexpensive SUV. The entire cost of upkeep and repairs over a 10-year period comes to about $7,600, which is $550 less than the industry average. The dependability of the Cx-5 is regularly praised by owner evaluations. RepairPal gave it a rating of 4.5 out of 5. It is a reliable option because, although some owners have complained about small problems like sunroof malfunctions and liftgate strut failures, the chance of requiring a significant repair during the first 10 years is only 8%. Oil changes, which normally cost $30 to $50 each service, are part of routine maintenance and should be performed every 5,000 to 7,500 miles. Regular tire rotations and brake inspections are also advised, although they are still reasonably priced. Owners may guarantee years of trouble-free and seamless operation by adhering to the suggested maintenance regimen. Number 4. Toyota Venza. To maintain the Toyota Venza in top shape, regular maintenance is necessary. Every 5,000 miles, basic repairs like tire rotations and oil changes are necessary and usually cost between $50 to $100. At 30,000 miles, more thorough maintenance is required, which might cost $300 to $400 and include system inspections and fluid replacements. In addition to praising the Venza's dependability, owners stress how crucial it is to follow the suggested maintenance plan in order to prevent expensive repairs. Regular maintenance is essential for both vehicle safety and engine durability. Frequent fluid level checks and brake inspections avoid mechanical issues that might cause breakdowns. Consistent maintenance guarantees seamless functioning and helps prevent unforeseen repair expenses, even if the Venza doesn't need frequent care. Number 3. Subaru Crosstrek. The Subaru Crosstrek is a reasonably priced car to maintain. Owners usually pay around $8,200 on repairs and maintenance during the first 10 years, which is somewhat less than what the competition spends. For those anticipating more expenses, this is a welcome surprise. The average cost of maintenance and repairs for the first 5 years is $2,548, which is reasonable for a compact SUV. The Crosstrek only needs 0.1 unplanned repairs year, which is far less than the 3 times a year that comparable compact SUVs usually require, according to reviews. Its reputation as a dependable car is further supported by the fact that the likelihood of requiring a significant repair is only 7%. Depending on the mileage and necessary repairs, routine maintenance can cost anywhere from $198 to $534. The 60,000-mile service, for instance, may cost up to $534, but it's considered an investment in extending the vehicle's lifespan. All things considered, Crosstrek owners value its durability and comparatively cheap maintenance expenses, demonstrating that affordability and dependability can coexist. Number 2. Honda HR-V. With average maintenance and repair expenses of around $7,200 for the first 10 years, or roughly $300 annually, the Honda HR-V is comparatively inexpensive to maintain. When compared to comparable SUVs available on the market, this is rather fair. With expected maintenance expenditures of $2,200 over the first 5 years, it's a cost-effective choice for anybody looking for a dependable car with low maintenance costs. The average cost of routine maintenance, including tire rotations, brake checks, and oil changes, is between $100 and $300. With just a 21% risk of substantial work being required over a 10-year period, owner evaluations frequently emphasize the HR-V's low possibility of needing major repairs, making it a good option for people who would rather make fewer trips to the mechanic. Number 1. Toyota RAV4. With average maintenance and repair expenditures of $5,800 over the first 10 years, the Toyota RAV4 is a reasonably priced SUV to buy. This represents a considerable savings of roughly $2,400 when compared to the typical SUV. You should budget around $1,800 for regular maintenance throughout the first 5 years, which includes necessary chores like tire rotations and oil changes. For an SUV, the average yearly maintenance cost is $429, which is rather affordable. There is an extremely slim possibility of requiring a significant repair during this time. Just 5%. Reviews from owners frequently highlight the RAV4's dependability and low maintenance expenses, pointing out that it saves the money by reducing the need for frequent and expensive trips to the repair shop. Furthermore, Toyota provides free maintenance for the first 2 years, which enhances the experience of ownership. For those seeking a reliable and reasonably priced SUV, the Toyota RAV4 is a great choice. Thank you for watching.